Shobra, सबको राम राम जी. If you are also stuck like this in a cool way and feeling tough and cool, I am giving you one Italian switch word again, which is Ayal Debre. Ayal Debre. You have to chant this for 51 times, 2-3 times a day. You can check the spellings out on the screen. Subscribe to my channel and you will get many more switch words like this. You can also do one thing. Write this Ayal Debre on a piece of paper with black pen. And if you are feeling much colder